Hey guys, welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you where you can buy Monopoly Go board game to get the Monopoly Go codes. So you can buy this game in a lot of places, but I can suggest you to buy it on Amazon or eBay. So for example, let's look on the Amazon. We need to go to the search and we need to write Monopoly Go board game, and you can see this result. You need to open it, and this is the Monopoly Go board game, official mobile board game, guys. And when you buy this game, it has got a code and you can use this code to claim the rewards. I have got the video tutorial how to claim code, so you can watch my other tutorial about this topic. So at the moment they have got a nice discount, $10.79. Usually this game costs around from $11 to $16. So you can buy the game from Amazon, or you can go to eBay and search for Monopoly Go board game, but you need to be careful. You need to look at the condition. I suggest you to buy the new game, because if it's pre-owned like this one, the code might be used, guys. Also, you need to be very careful. You need to look at the seller. He might send an open box and the code might be used, guys. So you should be very careful. So these are the two places where you can get the Monopoly Go board game. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.